Hey guys, welcome back to another video from Target Designs. If you are new to the channel, I need you to go ahead and please subscribe. And if you like what's going on here, please share the videos. All right. I apologize for the break in videos last Friday and today. All right. This is why I'm throwing this short video up. It's coming from my phone straight to you. All right. As you can see, we're assembling the car. All right, so we are making progress. It's just that the videos are a bit behind. We've been doing merch, trying to get those out the door. It's just me and Jeremiah, or Lower Delta. If you want to look him up on Instagram. So it's been a rough one. All right, the wing is about to go on. I'm working on that right now. All right, so short video, let y'all know what happened Friday and today. Okay, today's video was not complete, but Wednesdays or Fridays was complete. He totally skipped it. All right. So again, we're making progress. All right, just bear with me, and video should drop tomorrow, as long as he gets it done tonight. All right. So here you go. First glimpse. Keep watching them, sharing them. Thank you so much, and love you guys.